another great day in the Ginger's kitchen. We're making fondant rosemary potatoes. You ever had them? Life-changing. Let's get going. 2 russet potatoes, preferably long and uniform. About a half a cup of beef bone broth, that is my homemade. You're gonna need a giant sprig of rosemary, 2 tablespoons butter, about 2 tablespoons grapeseed oil, salt and pepper to taste. Preheat that oven to 425 degrees. Peel your potatoes, cut off the ends, and then cut them in half crosswise. Soak them in cold water for 5 minutes to get that extra starch off the outside. You're going to heat that grapeseed oil in a skillet on high until it's nice and shimmery. Pat those potatoes dry, put them in the cylinder, and then cook them for 5 to 6 minutes. Season with salt and pepper and flip them over. As they cook, you're going to blot out the additional oil and then add the butter and the rosemary. Once the rosemary wilts a little bit, you're going to pick it up with some tongs and brush it all over those potatoes. Cook until the butter foams and turns white or pale in color. Season with more salt and pepper, pour in the chicken stock, then transfer the whole skillet into the oven and cook for about 30 minutes. If the potatoes aren't tender enough, go ahead and add a little bit more broth and cook for an additional 10 minutes.